Hi, if you arrived in this video, it is because you want to know more about the FOLIFORT. Then I have some very important notices. So pay close attention to what I have to tell you. Before that, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is William Smith, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about FOLIFORT before you actually buy the product. I also have two really important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about FOLIFORT is beware of the website where you are going to buy FOLIFORT, because FOLIFORT is only sold on the official website. To help you, I have left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is FOLIFORT, and does it really work? And the answer is yes, FOLIFORT does work, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that the naturally sourced ingredients in our patented formula are designed to fortify and stimulate your existing hair follicles. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with FOLIFORT, and you can also have results. However, you have to keep in mind that each organism reacts in a unique way. This is a little obvious, but I tell you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know. Before you buy, you can actually test FOLIFORT for 60 days of product guarantee days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for FOLIFORT to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, or else you will not see great results and you will actually have a little bit of frustration. You can see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product. Also important for FOLIFORT has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website. You are going to buy FOLIFORT, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Don't forget to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anybody else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you and me. I also hope that FOLIFORT really helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thank you.